All right, so end of day 3, the moving day at Old Trafford. England 544 for 7 with a lead of 186 runs. In short, fail the आज पूरी तरीके से. Samir, what do you think?
तेल तो दिया, yes. Ollie Pope, Joe Root, crazy batting,
Yeah.
150 runs. I think Joe Root surpassing Ricky Ponting, Jack Callis, Rahul Dravid, three legendary batsmen.
एक ही innings में.
एक ही innings में. Yeah, that was the moment of the day for me. एक ही innings में he is second only to
You know who?
you know who. नहीं हो पाएगा वैसे, जय शाह होने नहीं देगा.
We need the script.
इंजुरीज होते हैं लोगों को मिस्टीरियस सिचुएशन में.
Yeah, but it
But yeah,
was totally a batting day, I would say. Like our bowlers struggled a bit. There were some of the tactics that I did not understand at all, especially like Washi को इतना late क्यों लेकर आया in the 67th over.
एग्जैक्टली कल तो बॉलिंग डाला ही नहीं वॉशिंगटन सुंदर ने, और आज इतना लेट. आई थिंक शुभमन गिल्स लैक ऑफ कैप्टेंसी एक्सपीरियंस शोड टुडे, एंड नॉट जस्ट शुभमन गिल, हियर द एंटायर थिंक टैंक हैज टू टेक रिस्पांसिबिलिटी. शुभमन गिल इज अ न्यू कैप्टन, सो दे
Absolutely.
नीड टू मेक श्योर ही इज doing what needs to be done.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
No, you can definitely see it's not just him taking this decision. Like पूरा think tank है, bowling coach, batting coach मिला के.
Yeah.
उसके बाद भी like when our spinners were bowling good in tandem, they got 2 wickets. We suddenly opted for the new ball. So I don't know वहाँ ज़रूरत थी कि नहीं.
Exactly, another point where lack of captaincy experience showed. Just because new ball available है इसलिए लेना is not mandatory. वहाँ पे अच्छा bowling कर रहे थे spinners.
Yeah.
So I think we should have continued with the spinners, but ऐसा हुआ नहीं. And then
Yeah.
again, it was a tough day for being a bowler, but
Yeah.
we didn't execute our
Yeah.
plans.
Yeah, and I think it's a long series as well. We could clearly see Siraj, Bumrah kind of not 100%. I guess उनको थोड़ा ankle issues भी हुए देखने को मिले, शायद सुनने में आया.
Yeah, that is
But then
expected.
towards the end, we pulled slightly. We got like some quick wickets. But I think Ben Stokes went out and came back again, looking ominous already. And Liam Dawson like is a fine batsman.
अभी बेन स्टोक्स भी कल मार देगा सेंचुरी. I don't have any doubts. जैसा चल रहा है. But yeah, let's see. Overall, ये मैच थोड़ा हाथ से निकलते हुए दिख रहा है, ये मैच एंड सीरीज. But we need something spectacular, something like Rahul Dravid, VVS Lakshman kind of deal tomorrow.
Yeah.
What do you think?
Yeah, we rely on the rain gods to save us, from the last couple of days. But yeah, let's see what happens tomorrow. Again, a big day for the series in general. So
Yeah.
we will be back with our quick take.